Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, a bit of a slow motion day. I would like to start actually to take a look at the daily chart. Let me just open the daily Bitcoin chart. And then we go into the sort of 30-minute chart. I do show the daily chart every few days. I think I showed it earlier today as well. So we are still here in this situation where we had an impulse, either two or one large impulse to the upside. At the moment, it doesn't really matter if it's a so-called 1-2-1-2 setup or if it's all of this is a wave one and we're coming down in a wave two. I would rather focus on a deeper retracement, and if it turns around earlier, even better. Okay, so we are still watching for the price to go down a little lower. I'm counting the move that started in April as a WXY correction. And then in the Y wave, so it's a complex corrective pattern, in the Y wave, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. There are other scenarios, you know, how this can play out. I made you aware in previous videos, this could be a triangle, all sorts of things, but we don't want to spend too much time on the daily time frame. I think I did show it to you earlier today. I show it every couple of days, but obviously nothing changed on the daily time frame. But we specifically created the daily, the weekly charts in order not to lose focus and not to sort of lose sight of where we're actually standing, looking at the, you know, the context. Because in Elliott Wave, even when we just look at 1 hour charts, 30-minute charts, 4 hour charts, the context is so important in Elliott Wave, or you get to the wrong wave counts. So let's look at the 30-minute chart. So we're basically, the area we're watching is here now. Okay, so what I made you aware earlier today in the video, first video today, we were somewhere up here, I think. So where were we? I think we were just coming down here. And I explained to you a few things that I'm watching for today. First of all, I said it's very likely we go lower and possibly test the orange support area where the price has a chance to turn around, because we see this currently here as an A, B, C structure. Basically, we made an opening session today in my first video, and I highlighted to you what I'm going to watch for today. And it was, a deeper retracement in wave B. That's certainly fulfilled. And then a potential reaction in the orange support area, which goes down all the way to $26,080. And hey, the market or the price already left that orange support area to the upside. Okay, we're above the area as we speak, just retesting it from above, but the price has left this area. Now, it's still very much bouncing around, so I will not confirm yet that a low is in place in this wave B, but it's not looking too bad. I mean, it just needs to move now, basically now. That would be ideal. Is it invalidated, this B wave, if the price goes below the intraday low and breaks below 26,080? No. I explained to you very clearly today that we need to be a bit flexible with B waves. Yeah, this is not a 1-2 setup. This is an A-B setup, which means it's increased risk, because B waves, they can be very long, they can be very short, they can even overshoot to the downside. So just be aware of that. I would not rule out that it goes a little lower. Then in the video before, so the second video today, I made you aware of this corrective price channel. And yeah, it never really broke anywhere, so it's still in the price channel. What we really need as some kind of evidence that a low has been established here in the B wave is a break to the upside out of the corrective price channel. Yeah, we want to see the price break to the upside of the upper boundary line of this corrective price channel. That will indicate at least that the correction is over. Yeah, and then it needs to take us higher, obviously, above the B wave high at $26,400 basically. Yeah, and probably depending on what happens later today, I don't think there will be too much action, but tomorrow we will be watching for potentially this C wave to unfold. So it might have started. Yeah, I mean, really diving into the weeds, but that's highly unreliable. Could be that this is a small one, this is a small wave two, and we're now moving higher accordingly in 5 waves. I will leave it on the chart, but please treat it not really as predictive. It just tells us that this assumption is valid as long as the 26,130 level is holding, because below that level, this 1-2 setup will get invalidated. But this is not really a predictive count, not the microstructure. But anyway, I'm watching for this C wave to start. It could have started already. It's just not very evident in the chart yet. And if it has started, then let's take a look at targets, because we can take the length of the A wave, then we go to the low of the B wave. And roughly the first target to watch is 26,550, the 100% fib extension, and then 26,850, the 1.618 extension. These are very common Fibonacci relationships between a wave A and a wave C. So yeah, that's basically it, right? You need to expect, when we go higher, obviously we need to expect resistance around the B wave high, which I explained already, but also around the previous wave 4 swing high. A few days ago, we had here a resistance area as well. The price reacted very nicely to it. Could have been a profitable short for anybody who took it. And so far, we just need to be aware where the resistances lie on the way up. It's still bouncing around. It doesn't give us a very, very clear picture that this C wave has started. For anybody who missed the previous videos, this C wave is supposed to be part of a wave 2 correction. And ultimately, it is important in this wave 2 correction that the price stays below 27,184. It's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the distance, traveled between the 19th of September top to the 25th of September low. So that's the typical retracement area. Yeah, it is, you could say, standard resistance area for this wave 2. And obviously, when we just before looked at the Fibonacci extensions of the A wave to be able to more precisely calculate a target there. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content every single day. And if you're interested in the channel membership, you can also find the links in the video description. Every Sunday, we do a weekly live stream. We cover some requests there, and it's an educational topic as well. Then you can get access to our membership chat rooms on Discord and Telegram, more educational content. Plus, as a gold member, you get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.